This How to 1 Minute will show you how to create compact archives in WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. We will install a plugin. So here, hover over on plugins and click on add new. Now click on search plugins and type here. And here search for compact archives, and you have to install and activate this plugin to display a smart monthly archive of posts in more compact form rather than the default long archive widget. Once the plugin activated, I'm going to create a new post for compact archives and giving post title archives. Now click on this add block icon and here write archive and click on compact archives. And as you can see, the compact archives has been added, and now select this block and select, and from here you can select archive type. You can select initial block or numeric, and you can click on advanced to add some additional CSS here. Then I'm clicking on publish, and I'm going to view the post, and here we can see the compact archives has been added. And if you want to add compact archive to your sidebar as a widget, then go to your WordPress dashboard again. And now scroll down and hover over on appearance and click on widgets. Click on this plus icon and here again search for compact archive and select it. Now drag it and paste into your sidebar where you want to add the compact archive. Click on update. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.